A few years ago, we started to hear whispers about reminiscence and caregiver kits. They were circulating already in some public library systems. One of our colleagues, Sally Inglet, who two of us at Library at Home will be seeing in person next week at our annual conference. She had this to say on the American Library Association website about these kits. Quote, libraries are responding to the needs of personal and professional caregivers from both home and facility care environments by providing kits that facilitate meaningful activities. Reminiscence therapy was conceived in the 1960s with the idea that looking back at our lives and recalling, discussing, and interacting with someone in the present is therapeutic. Reminiscence is an activity that anyone can take part in and benefit from. The idea seems simple enough until dementia is added to the mix. Connecting with a person with dementia can be incredibly frustrating, but once you make a connection, it is both rewarding and meaningful. Still quoting Sally, by recalling positive experiences from the past, we can not only validate their self-worth, but also help people connect using conversation and storytelling about their interests. By doing so, they may find comfort, a release from boredom, and a lift from depression and loneliness.